All right, you guys, we're back. We finally got everything installed. Check it out. Well, it's wicked how it hits. So in preparation for making the counters, we had them separate down there in our shop. The small one was sitting, like way over here. When I got ready to put on the vanes, I actually slid that top over, kind of like it is right now. So when the vanes shoot out, they shoot and hit and climb right up, right onto that other counter. But I just wanted you to see all the detail in it. Turned out really slick. So we got those as close as we possibly could. Looks really good though with the shower and everything now. I set a towel down there just for the splashing, just to show you. So it turned out really nice. So that's it, you guys. Hope you like it. We'll see you real soon back on the next one.